February 18th, 1944. The day began like any other in northern France, cold wind sweeping across the countryside. But above the Amiens region, a swarm of low-flying mosquitoes sliced through the fog, skimming treetops at over 300 miles an hour. Their mission? Break into Amiens prison and free over 250 French resistance members before Gestapo executions at dawn. The operation, codenamed Jericho, was one of the boldest daylight raids of the war. The Mosquitoes of number, 487 Squadron, Royal New Zealand Air Force, carried 500-pound bombs fitted with delayed fuses. Flying just 10 feet above the snow, they evaded radar until the last second, pulling up to